Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Northern State Governors Forum has expressed grief over the passing of former President Muhammadu Buhari, describing his death as a moment of great national mourning and a monumental loss to Nigeria. The Adolescent Girls Initiative for Learning and Empowerment project has increased the annual conditional cash transfer amount given to female students from 20,000 naira to 60,000 naira per beneficiaries in Kano State. 15 graduating students of Brilliance Footstep International Academic in Sokoto State have built electric vehicles as part of their final year projects. A group of palace officials have sued the 16th Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sunusi II, and 12 others over what they describe as their illegal evictions and the destructions of their ancestral homes within the Kano Palace premises. Now, insecurity, 5 killed, 3 injured as bandit attack church meeting in Kajuru community in Kaduna State on Friday. Zamfara State Police Command has announced the arrest of 8 suspected criminals, including a 50-year-old bandit and 2 informants. Nigeria sentenced 44 people to hard labor for financing Boko Haram terrorists. The trial of 10 other people have been postponed, the country's counter-terrorism agency said on Saturday. Zamfara top list as Nigeria records 5,400 kidnappings, 6,800 deaths in 6 months. Now, politics. Woman injured in Kwara APC crisis as governor's loyalists alleging others attack over defections rumor. When we take over in 2027, we will bring back the normal national anthem, says former APC chieftain Dr. Karust Kololo. APC youth leader arrested on Friday over Facebook comments against House of Representatives aspirants in Jigawa State. Now, from the international scene, at least 10 Palestinians have been killed at a water collection point in central Gaza, 6 of them children, as famine separates. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has reaffirmed his support for Russia in the war against Ukraine, according to state media on Sunday. Seen outside the London clinic where ex-President Muhammadu Buhari died on Sunday, some of his allies, including a former Imo State Governor Rocha Sokrocha, Governor Babagana Umar Zulum, are among those present. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.